Okay, y'all, so we are going to start with our brows, and we are going to be doing long brows. I'm really excited to try this. First, I'm going to go in with a primer though to prime my face, and I think should I do matte or should I do, I'll do the Neutrogena Radiant. This is a actual serum. I've used this before on other videos, and I'm going to use it again today because I just love how it feels. And honestly, my skin can use a little bit of hydration today. I used to only do matte primers and like matte foundations, which I still do matte foundations because that's what I like. I like a matte finish, but I've been kind of into like the healthy skin look lately. So I'm just gonna put this all over our face, and we're gonna start on our blonde brows right after this. Okay, I love this stuff. I honestly went to a music festival the other day, and I literally wore no makeup. And honestly, I could have put this on just to give me that radiant look. But anyway, for brows, we are going to go in with a spoolie, and I'm just going to comb my brows up. Now I'm going to go in with this Got To Be styling gel, and this is going to help me keep my brows up. And I'm just going to put it on one side of this spoolie, not a lot because you just don't need a lot. Actually, I'm going to kind of tap some of the excess off on the top here, and then I'm just going to start putting my brows in place. And this is basically going to help our brows stay in place all night, okay? And you can use this styling gel to kind of form your brows however you want. I like to go up, and then I like place them where I want them. Especially the ones in the front, I like to have those going straight up. Kind of like that. Yeah. And obviously this styling gel dries really fast, so if it does that, all you have to do is like add water, but just be really mindful of that you have to work quickly with this stuff. If you don't want to use Got To Be gel, you can go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel, and this is the clear brow gel. I love using this stuff. I'm actually going to use this too, but if you don't want to deal with Got To Be, you can definitely use this. It's super good, and it keeps my brows in place as well. But I want to be a little extra today since we are doing blonde brows. I want to make sure my brows stay in place and are like super secure. My hair, I do not want my brows to move whatsoever. So I'm going to go in with the P.LOUISE base, and this is in Rumour 4, and I'm going to use that to actually conceal my brows and to create the base for that blonde. And this is just to cover up the black on our brow hairs, right? So I'm going to start with this brow first so you can see. I'm just placing it on there. I'm just like dabbing my spoolie on the top and placing it right on my brows. And my brows are really sparse, so I'm looking kind of crazy right now, but that's okay. Just go with it. And I like using the P.LOUISE base because it's going to stick and stay as well. It's really secure and it doesn't move. Even with my eyeshadows, like the P.LOUISE base is probably the best eye base that I've ever tried before. So make sure you guys check that out. Or I have the one in Rumour 4 and the white one as well. And this is in Rumour 0. It's so cool. I've been seeing like the trend go around with the blonde brows, and I like really want to try it, and I think it's really cute for like fall, and I want to see how I would look That's what it's giving me, like Ice Queen. And if y'all didn't know, I am a Capricorn, so I'm naturally a little Ice Queen anyway. Okay, I think that's enough of that. Now I need to find a base, like an eyeshadow base for eyebrows. So I do have my Warrior palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm thinking kinda if I need it to be a little bit more light, I can go with Zaz here. Okay, y'all, so after trying it out, I actually decided to go in fully with Zaz all the way. Like, if we're gonna do blonde, let's do blonde. Let's go all the way white. And it's able to like cover up those black hairs that did not get concealed because I was a little afraid to do too much. Let's just go all the way. And I'm just taking some strokes, just try to like mimic actual brow hairs in the front. And I'm being very generous with this eyeshadow because you can go as light as you want to. I'm just being a little extra. Also, now we're going to go in with our concealer, and I'm going to be using the Born This Way in Maple. And I love this concealer because it's like full coverage, and I love full coverage. I love full coverage for nighttime looks, honestly, because you don't really know what's going to happen, how long it's going to be out. If you mean, because I don't go out a lot, but when I do go out, I kind of like to go overboard. So, that's me. So I'm just gonna lift my brow, kind of like this. I'm gonna stamp some of the product, not on top of my brow, but like right under it. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying to look in the mirror and like look at y'all. So yeah, I don't like to start the product directly under my brow. Kind of like tap some of it off, and then we're gonna go in and we're just gonna clean the brow up however you like. I know everybody has their own way of doing their brow. Some people do it before, some people do it after. I like to do my brows before just to get it out the way, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the top. I'm going to kind of dab that product on first, and then I'm going to go in. Then I'm just going to bring that product down onto my eyelid. Then we're going to start kind of like blending it out. I'll move my way up to kind of get the shape that I want. And I've actually been changing the shape of my brows lately since I've been doing them myself. And I like kind of like the extended arch look. I just love that look way better on me. I used to go get my brows done, but now I do them myself because I'm very particular. I've learned that about myself. Move on to eyes. So I'm going to go back in with my P.LOUISE base and I'm going to put that all over my lid and a little bit under my eyelid. Now we're going to go in with this brown shade here. And we're going to put that right on our lid. Now we're just blending that shade out. Now I'm gonna go in with Kafuru. This is a darker brown, and I'm gonna put that on my lid to create some contrast. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and I'm gonna be mixing two. I'm gonna be mixing my NARS and Natural Radiant. It's New York, and this is a matte finish in caramel. So I'm gonna be putting both of these together. Now we're going to go in with our Too Faced and our P.LOUISE concealers, and we're going to mix them together. For contouring, we're going to go in with our Fenty Beauty, and this is in Espresso. Now I'm going to put a little bit of powder foundation on to lock everything in before I put on some blush with Mocha Mami from Fenty Beauty. Now we're going to use our Fenty liquid lipstick, and this is in Unveil, and it's a really pretty brown shade, so we're just going to stack that on. Now I'm going to go in with my P.LOUISE and Rumour Zero, and I'm just going to stack some of that to kind of give it a cooler tone, so I can kind of match my eyebrows. And then I'm going to line my lips again. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna put some lashes on and then I'll be back. I'm gonna go in with my mascara. This is from Benefit, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on my lower lash line.
But they're not gonna see me bleed, cause baby I got you.